how to buy Bros Internet Scale token. So this token came under the symbol of scale. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money in Wasm crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now you can buy it on MEXC. So as you can see, you'll be able to find trade on MEXC. So after you click on it, you will be able to redirect you to your MEXC account. If you don't have an account on MEXC account, you will be able to find the referral link down in the description. You can create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund it with some Solana, because this kind of tokens you will need some Solana on your account. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, so here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive that token. And because I don't have any Solana on my account, I can be able to see buy the scale here token. If you select the limit here, you can set how much your percentage, or you can just type how much you want to buy of that Solana, or use that Solana on your account in order to buy this token. I click here on buy scale. So this is how to buy scale token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.